Hi, good day everyone. We are the next reporter and we are the group 2. So today we will discuss to you our topic
About
local jurisdictional framework for coastal management. So without further ado, let's get started. Legal and policy framework for coastal management. So, national laws, administrative issuances, and international treaties and agreements established the legal and policy framework for coastal management. This framework is largely comprised of the management systems provided in the several major laws, namely the Local Government Code or LGC of 1991, the Fisheries Code of 1998, the National Integrated and Protected Areas System or NIPAS Act, the Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization Act or AFMA. The hierarchy of laws governing coastal management. So there are types of issuances in hierarchy of importance. So first we have Constitution, second Republic Acts and international treaties ratified by Philippine Congress. Next, Commonwealth Act, Public Acts, Batas Pambansa, presidential decrees issued during the Marcos era and executive orders of President Aquino. Next, we have presidential decrees and executive orders not included above, letters of instruction, and presidential. So next, we have proclamations, administrative orders, and lastly, ordinances of local governments. Philippine Constitution, provisions related to the environment, subsistence fishermen, and people's participations in governance. In Article 2, Section 15 and 16 stated that the state shall protect and promote the right to health of the people. The state shall protect and advance the right of the people to a balanced and healthful ecology in accord with the rhythm and harmony of nature. In Article 12, Section 2, stated that the exploration, development, and utilization of natural resources shall be under the full control and supervision of the state. The state shall protect the nation's marine wealth and exclusive economic zone. They reserve its use and enjoyment exclusively to Filipino citizens. In Article 16, Section 7, stated that the state shall protect the rights of subsistence fishermen, especially of the local communities, to the preferential use of the communal marine and fishing resources, both inland and offshore. It shall provide support to such fishermen through appropriate technology and research. In Article 13, stated that the right of the people and their organizations to effective and reasonable participation at all levels of social, political, economic decision making shall not be abridged. Local Government Code RA 7160 provisions related to political autonomy and decentralization. Section 3, LGUs may group themselves, consolidate, or coordinate their efforts, services, and resources for purposes commonly beneficial to them. Section 3, LGUs shall share with the national government the responsibility in the management and maintenance of ecological balance within their territorial jurisdiction, subject to the provisions of this code and national policies. Section 26. Duties of NGAs in the maintenance of ecological balance. It shall be the duty of every national agencies or government owned or controlled corporation authorizing or involved in the planning and implementation of any project or program that may cause pollution, climatic change, depletion of non-renewable resources, loss of cropland, rangeland, or forest cover, and extinction of animal or plant species. To consult with the LGUs, NGOs, and other sectors concerned and explain the goals and objectives of the project, its impact upon the people and the community in terms of environmental or ecological balance, and the measures that will be undertaken to prevent or minimize the adverse effects thereof. Section 2. Prior consultations required. No project or program shall be implemented by government authorities unless the consultations mentioned in Section 2 and 26 are complied with and prior approval of the Sangguniang concerned is obtained. In Section 34, role of POS and NGOs. LGUs shall promote the establishment and operation of POS and NGOs to become active partners in the pursuit of local autonomy. Section 33. Cooperative undertakings among LGUs. LGUs may, through appropriate ordinances, group themselves, co- consolidate, or coordinate their efforts, services, and resources for purposes commonly beneficial to them. In support of such undertakings, the LGUs involved may, upon approval by the Sangguniang concerned after a public hearing conducted for the purpose, contribute funds, real estate, equipment, and other kinds of property and appoint or assign personnel under such terms and conditions as may be agreed upon by the participating local units through memoranda of agreement. Section 35. Engage with POS and NGOs. LGUs may enter into joint ventures and such other cooperative arrangement with POS and NGOs to engage in the delivery of certain basic services, capability building, and livelihood projects, and to develop local enterprises designed to improve productivity and income, diversity, agriculture, spur rural industrialization, promote ecological balance, and enhance the economic and social well being of the people. Section 36. Assistance to POS and NGOs. An LGU made through its local and chief executive and with the concurrence of the Sangguniang concerned provide assistance financial or otherwise, to such POS and NGOs for economic, socially oriented, environmental, or cultural projects to be implemented within its territorial jurisdiction.